Now, similarly to the 2-bit comparator, the 4-bit comparator is going to compare two variables which are 4-bit in a size. Now, if I will say that there are two variables, variable A and variable B, then 4-bit variables A0, A1, A2 and A3 are going to be considered. And the variable B will be B0, B1, B2 and B3 will be considered. And the inputs A and B, mute all of you, mute yourself. Okay. For a 4-bit comparison operation, the variable A and variable B are 4-bit in a size. So variable A will be A0, A1, A2 and A3 and variable B will be B0, B1, B2 and B3. Now suppose if the input will be given as a 1 0 0 or a 1 and B is a given as a input 1 0 0 0. Now how the comparison is going to be performed by the 4-bit comparator? First MSB of A and B is taken in consideration. If MSB of variable A is greater than MSB of variable B, then directly A is greater than B, output is displayed. If MSB of A is less than MSB of B, then directly the output is displayed as A is less than B. But if both are equal, then comparison is shifted to the next significant bits. If A3, B3 is equal to, then A2 and B2 are going to be compared. Again, if A2 and B2 are equal, then A1 and B1 are going to be compared. If A2 is greater than B2, directly A is greater than B. Otherwise, A2 is less than B2 if B2 is a greater. If both are equal, then comparison will be shifted to the next significant bits, that is A1 and B1. Again, if A1 is a greater, then directly A is a greater than B. If B1 is a greater, directly B is a greater than A. But if A1 and B1 both are equal, then the comparison is shifted to the last bit, that is a A0, B0. If again both are equal, now as A3, B3 equal, A2, B2 equal, A1, B1 A0, B0, output is A equal A0 than B0, then A is a greater than B. If B0 is a greater than A0, then B is a greater than A. So in this way, the 4-bit comparison operation is going to be performed by the 4-bit comparator or any comparator. Now, how the comparison operation is going to be performed by the comparator by using the IC 7485. Now, the IC available is 7485 and this IC is capable to perform the comparison operation of two variables which are 4-bit in a size. Now, we'll see the pin diagram and block diagram of IC 7485. Now, there are total 16 pins available in the 7485 and the pin diagram will look like this. The pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Now we'll give the pin numbers 1, 2, 9 is connected to the B0. Pin number 10 connected to the A0, then B1, then A1, then A2, B2, A3 and B3 is connected to the pin number 1. Pin number 16 is connected to the VCC, that is to the logic 1 power supply, and pin number 8 is connected to the ground. Now the outputs of these 4-bit inputs are displayed onto the pin numbers 5, 6 and 7. Pin number 5 gives the output as A greater than B. Pin number 6 gives the output A equal to B. Pin number 7 gives the output A less than B. Now when you will pass the inputs onto the A0 to A3 and B0 to B3, now whatever the output of that, any one of the output A greater than B, A equal to B and A less than B will be glows. The LEDs which I have placed on these output pins, these will be glows. Now along with these three inputs, there are three more pins available in IC 7485, pin number 2, 3 and 4. And these are connected to the cascaded inputs to expand the comparators. When you want to expand the 4-bit comparator to perform the 8-bit comparison operation or to more than 8-bit comparison operation, then at that time the cascading inputs A less than B, A greater than B and A equal to B, these are used. So the cascading input A less than B is connected to the pin number 2. Cascading input A equal to B is connected to the pin number 3. Cascading input A greater than B is connected to the pin number 4. Now these cascading inputs are used to expand the comparator to perform the comparison operation more than 4 bits, like 8 bits, then 12 bits and so on. Now the block diagram of IC 7485 will look like this. This is a block diagram. This is IC 7485. The inputs provided are A and B, 4-bit inputs. So I am going to show the 4-bit inputs are like this. This is the input A and 4-bit outputs for the variable B. This is the input B. Input B will be B0, B1, B2 and B3. A0, A1, A2 and A3. And the outputs given are A0, A less than B, A greater than B or A equal to B. And the cascading inputs are also given, which are nothing but the input A less than B, input A greater than B and input A equal to B. This is the block diagram. Now the IC 7485 4-bit comparator is used to compare 4-bit binary words. And in the IC 7485, the cascading inputs A less than B and cascading input A greater than B are grounded together. Grounded means they are connected to the 0. Are grounded, that is connected to the 0. The input given as a 0 and the cascading input A equal to B is connected to the VCC, that is to the logic 1 power supply. And the inputs, the cascading inputs are used to expand the ICs. Now based on this, now we'll find out the function table of the IC 7485. Now we'll take the functional truth table. Now the cascading inputs. Now the cascading inputs we are giving as a 3, that is input A, the outputs and the comparison inputs. Now the comparison 4-bit inputs, variable A and variable B, we are giving as an input A0 to A3 and B0 to B3. Now based on to these inputs, it may be either A is equal to B, it may be either A less than B or it may be either A greater than B, whatever it will be. Now the cascading inputs will be A greater than B, A equal to B and A less than B. The outputs generated are A greater than B, A equal to B and A less than B. Now when the comparison inputs are A greater than B, at that time whatever the cascading comparison inputs is given and cascading inputs A equal to B. When the cascading input A equal to B is a 1, then at that time whatever cascading inputs are there, they are don't care. Whatever the cascading inputs, it is not going to be considered. Okay, and the outputs generated is A equal to B. Similarly, when the input is given as cascading in the A less than B is a 0, A greater than B is equal to 0, and A less than B is equal to 0, cascading inputs. Then at that time, the output generated is 0, 0, 1. Similarly, when the cascading input is a 0, A greater than B, A less than equal to B, and A less than B is a 0, then at that time the output generating by the IC is 1, 0, 1. When the input is 1, 0, 1, then output generating is 0, 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? Now this is the truth table or the functional table of the IC 7485. Now we know that 7485 is a 4-bit comparator. So we can use the two 7485 comparators and we can implement the 8-bit comparator. Now this is a 7485. This is again the 7485. So 4 bits and 4 bits. It will become as a 8 bits. Clear? Now the inputs I am giving here as the A0, B0, A1, B1 and B2. Now here B0, B1, B2 and B3. Similarly A0, A1, A2 and A3. And the remaining inputs now I can give here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is B4, B5, B6 and B7. Similarly the A input remaining bits I can give here, that is A4, A5, A6 and A7. Now we know that the IC 7485 need to be connect the cascading inputs. The cascading inputs, that is A less than B and cascading input A greater than B, need to be connect to the ground. So connect these to the grounds. And the cascading input A equal to B, A equal to B need to be connect to the VCC. That is 5-volt power supply. Now the cascading inputs of the next 7485, the second 7485, that is here A less than B, A greater than B and the cascading input A equal to B. Now these cascading inputs are connected to the outputs generating by the first 7485. Now the output generating is A less than B, A greater than B and A equal to B. Clear? Now similarly the final outputs which are generating by the A greater than B and A less than B will be there. Final outputs will be generated here. This is the 8-bit comparator. Clear how to implement the 8-bit comparator by using the 27485? Yes, all of you clear? Now similarly, if I will say that implement 12-bit comparator by using IC 7485, what you will do? You need to use 3 7485s. The Output of first 7485 is connected to the cascading inputs of second 7485. The outputs of second 7485, these are connected to the cascading input of third 7485 and so on. Now 1-bit comparator, we have expressions, that is A greater than B is equal to A0 B0 bar, A less than B. A less than B, we have A0 bar B0. And we have A equal to B, that is A0 bar B0 bar plus A0 B0, which is nothing but A0 XNOR B0. Already we have implemented 1-bit comparator. We can use 1-bit comparator and the IC 7485. So 1-bit comparator, now I can achieve by using these expressions. So the circuit, let's say I am implementing like this. The AND gate, first AND gate. The first AND gate having an input A0. Then B0, and I'm giving the input as input to the NOT gate. It will give me the output as A0 B0 bar. Okay, and this is nothing but A greater than B. Now I know that I have a IC 7485. This 7485 IC is having the cascading inputs A greater than B, then A equal to B and A less than B. Now these A greater than B input I can connect to the cascading input of 7485. Similarly, the XNOR operation to get the A equal to B, A0 and B0. It is giving me the A0 XNOR B0, which is nothing but the A equal to B. Now I am going to connect to the cascading input of 7485. Similarly, A less than B. Now A less than B is having the first input A0 bar. Now the A0 I am giving as input to the NOT gate. This is A0 bar and the B0. This is the B0. Now B0 will be the second input, which will be the A0 bar and B0, and which is nothing but A less than B. This A less than B, now I am connecting to the cascading input of 748 by. This is 1-bit comparator and this is 4-bit comparator. Now collectively when I will use this circuit, then it will give me the 5-bit comparator. The inputs here, input A and input B, I have to give 4-bit inputs, 5-bit inputs. A0, B0 I have given here for the 1-bit comparator. Now I will give here the B1, B2, B3 and B4 and A1, A2, A3 and A4. And it is giving the outputs as A equal to B, A less than B and A greater than B. Similarly, the cascading inputs of this now already we have a taken, which is nothing but the 5-bit comparator.